We'll see a lot of innovative web design this year. Your online experiences will be even more compelling with fresh, intuitive designs with even greater brand alignment. Our team at Alterize is seeking deep design insights to find the right solutions for our brands.
Websites are going to continue playing a critical role in the branding process. That's not going to change in the near future. As a matter of fact, we anticipate brands are going to be looking at websites from a completely different perspective so that they're able to stand out and be noticed. For us as an agency, that means we need to visit website design differently than we would advertising design. There are so many more layers to consider in this case. For an e-commerce website, for example, we have to consider factors where we are able to mirror the retail experience the consumer is used to in the brick and mortar experience and find a digital alternative that best serves their expectations. So it's pretty exciting for us. A lot of startups these days are going with mobile-first strategies. That's because that's where the audience is. It's not very different for your website. You're likely to see more traffic coming in from mobile users than desktop and laptop users. For us, that means design might need to be designed for mobile first and then everything else later. You just need to look at the left side and you see that mobile-friendly pages and pages are getting premium listings. And that is one of the reasons why you need to focus so much. Your SEO, for example, now relies heavily on mobile optimization and design, how quickly they load, how friendly they are with various mobile devices. They all come into play with your brand's discovery and reaching out to your users. We have noticed a steady shift in the way users are interacting with their content online. Navigation has gotten a lot smarter. It's been a long time since we designed a large drop-down menu, and the menu sizes have been shrinking ever since. We might even foresee a future where the navigation menu can be skipped altogether. I mean, think about it. Why do you need a menu when the user can experience your entire brand without having to scroll up and down, left and right? We could probably give it a pass. Unless, of course, you're a large retailer, aggregator, or just having a wide array of options to choose from. You'll probably need to throw each of your users a bone, and that includes the seekers, searchers, hunters, and adventurers out there. Whatever it takes to get them to where they need to go in the most effective and intuitive manner. It seems everyone got the memo on minimal design. Almost everyone who gets design is almost there or in the process of getting there. And it's not just with minimal design, there is also the fact that there's been a lot of innovations in design over the past few years. We anticipate that trend is going to continue into the next year as well. Web design has long since been grid-based and modular. But now we can actually think of breaking that grid. It's a new design innovation that we are really excited about. You can actually take real-world objects and let that inspire you in how you want to communicate your brand story. And the possibilities are quite endless. Once you think beyond the limitations, the technology is there to help you design and tell your stories powerfully. We've all got access to really fast connections and we all enjoy a really fun GIF or a really cool video. But the fact is the size of the content on your website is always in play and we always want to optimize. And that is why we really enjoy working with code. Designing with code allows us to really push the boundaries of what we can do with a mobile and desktop website and not be limited with our storytelling. There's a lot to be done when you're designing using code. For example, you can look at animations that are intelligent, that are user action aware, that use motion physics. It really allows you to push the boundaries of what you could have imagined you could do on a website or a mobile browser. It's essentially hard to have a pulse and not be excited about all this. You really can't design for web without focusing on typography. It's one of the key factors that really makes your design stand out. It would be a really exciting, transcendent experience if it only wasn't so nerve-wracking. The fact is that you can actually look at websites these days and you'll notice a significant trend. What you will see is that they use a few words beautifully designed to communicate powerful ideas. You can communicate ideas and with typography in ways that you couldn't imagine before. Casual, formal, being contemporary, classical, name it. The possibilities are endless and typography is going to get you there. 2017 is going to be a year where we are going to see beautiful websites with smart technologies driving designs and pushing the envelope on some really exciting new ideas. We are going to be looking forward to working on these ideas and we'll see you on the other side.